Okay, so now that we've used the decomposing to help us understand how fractions are made and remind ourselves of that, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply whole numbers by unit fractions. So it's kind of the opposite of what we just did, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. So if I need to solve 5 times 1/2, if I need a visual for that, I might draw 5 squares, each broken into a half. 5 squares, each broken into halves, and shaded 1/2 of each. And if I add that all together, that's going to be 1/2, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves. Would be my answer. I can also show that as 1/2 5 times. So 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. Altogether, that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves. So our answer to 5 times 1/2 is 5 halves. If I have 2 times a third, maybe I want to do my repeated addition first, my decomposing. That's 1/3 2 times. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. Maybe I want to draw it. I want to draw 1/3 2 times. 1/3 2 times. I could, imagine in my mind, if I could cut this piece out and move it over here, that would show 2/3, right? Like if I eliminated it from here and just moved it. Now, all I have is 2/3. So my answer is 2/3. One more. Let's say I have 6 times a fourth. So I'm going to draw 6 shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, each cut into fourths. And I shade in 1/4 for each one. That would look like 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, which all together equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/4. If I could imagine that if I put these ones together, that's 4/4. And then I have 2/4 left, right? 4 plus 2 makes, boom, 6. So our final answer here would be 6/4. So either way you do it, if you visualize it by drawing it out, or if you use the repeated addition model, doesn't matter. You've got that 1/4 6 times, which would be 6/4.